How to make perfectly seasoned tandoori masala chicken legs in your air fryer. I've been asked about this recipe. Four beautiful whole chicken legs. This is approximately about 2 pounds. I'm using skinless. This is whole chicken leg. Yes. Make some deep cuts on the chicken. So if you guys see, we have made beautiful cuts on the chicken. At this point, just make sure the chicken is dry. Alright, so use a paper towel. Just make sure you take all the excess water. Alright, let's put them all together right here. Let's put some of our beautiful, look at these ingredients. You will love it. It will taste so good. You will be happy about it. First thing first, for the 2 pounds, whole dry garlic powder. 1 whole tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of clove powder. This is ginger powder. 1 whole tablespoon of ginger powder. Coriander, 1 whole tablespoon. Goes right here. Crushed cardamom, the green one, right? We'll add half teaspoon of cardamom. I have black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. This is paprika, smoky paprika. We'll add 1 teaspoon. This is cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. These are 13 ingredients. I'll link it. I'll put all these ingredients in the description box so it's easy for you to follow to get the perfect flavor, you know. So 1 tablespoon of salt goes right here. Use nutmeg, okay? Do use it. It's gonna bring a good flavor to it. We will add 1 teaspoon right here. Red food color, half teaspoon. Orange food color. If you want to skip this, it's all fine, you can, but add this, you know, make your food tempting. Use olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, but I'm using olive oil. 2 tablespoons. Let's rub all these ingredients on top of our chicken. Just make sure they are covering each and every surface. Once you rub all these ingredients, it should look like this. You guys see, it's a little bit on the dry side. To make it a little bit, you know, a perfect coating for it, we'll use yogurt. 2 teaspoons of yogurt right here. 15 ingredients. Beautiful tandoori chicken leg for the air fryer. After including chicken, all 15 ingredients, you still need to add some vinegar on top of this. We want the perfect flavor, right? It's not about putting salt and pepper and just call it a tandoori. No, you have to follow each and every step to get the best flavor out of it. This is all raw, but it's packing a lot of punch, a lot of flavor. Easy recipe. Okay, let's turn it on. The temperature, put to air crisp. The temperature should be 300. Okay, and the time should be 40 minutes. Okay, cook it slowly. You know, you want juicy and perfectly crisp. Cook these tandoori legs a little bit slow, you know, a lower temperature and a slow time. Well, my friends, beautiful air fried tandoori chicken. The recipe is ready. The air fryer is ready. Let's open this and land our beautiful chicken legs, right? Whole chicken legs, one by one, right here in the pan. We don't need to put any butter in there. It's all fine. All gonna be okay. That's how it is. They're gonna be in here for 40 minutes, and I'll see you guys after 40 minutes with this delicious, easy, simple recipe of the 16 ingredients. Wow guys, what a delicious, easy way to make the perfect flavored tandoori chicken. Look at the crisp on it. Let me show you this. 40 minutes will do the job. Do the moment of truth. Look at this meat and look at this bone. It's all the way fully cooked. It's a perfect example of delicious taste for the tandoori chicken in your air fryer. 10 ingredient recipe. Look at this, guys. It's so soft, it's so tender, man. Look at these juices. You see this? OMG. Take our first bite. Whoa. 300 degrees, 40 minutes. Look at this. So tender. You can see every single thread. Make this recipe just the way I showed you. You'll be happy. It's carrying all the flavors of India right here on your dinner table. I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel and bye bye for now.